Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the gym where fitness meets motivation. Watch as our trainer guides a new client through powerful exercises and shares simple tips that can help you achieve your dream body. Every workout begins with a warm-up. Stretching and light cardio prepare your body, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of injury. Our trainer makes sure the client learns the importance of posture, breathing, and controlled movements before moving to weights. Our trainer makes sure the client learns the importance of posture, breathing, and controlled movements before moving to weights. Our trainer makes sure the client learns the importance of posture, breathing, and controlled movements before moving to weights. Next, it's time to build strength. With expert guidance, the client practices squats, dumbbell presses, and core exercises. Notice how the trainer corrects form, explains the benefits of each move, and encourages consistency. Fitness isn't about lifting heavy, it's about lifting right. Training isn't just about the gym. A balanced diet, proper hydration, and enough rest are equally important. Our trainer reminds us that results come from a combination of exercise, nutrition, and discipline. Fitness is a journey, and with the right guidance, anyone can transform their body and mind. If you found this session inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us at Legends Unfolds for more fitness tips and motivational videos.